Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at some essential network discovery commands in Kali Linux. I'm on my Kali Linux machine and I'm going to be running these commands on the terminal. So let's go ahead and open the terminal. Now I'm going to start with a basic command here for checking your IP address. There's two options. You can do IP address, and that should show you your IP address. You can also do ifconfig, and that should also show you the IP. As you can see, it's the same IP here. So the next commands I'm going to show are for network discovery. There's different commands. We have Nmap, netdiscover, appscan, and so forth. Let's look at the first command. I'm going to show Nmap. Nmap is for scanning. You can use it to scan for hosts on the network. You can also use it to scan other things like the OS on the hosts and so forth. The command is Nmap. Then for a basic scan, just to check whether a device or host is online, you can do SN. Then you put the subnet or target IP. We can do 172.16.1.1.0/24. And it quickly scanned, so it's going to tell you any IPs that it's found on this subnet. So there's a few that it found here, and as you can see, it just returned the IP address. There's no more information like the type of OS or operating system. Let's look at another basic command for Nmap. The command will be Nmap and then just the target IP address here or subnet again. This one will just look for any open ports, the common ports. Let me put 101 here. And so in this case, it just scanned this IP, this host. Let me go ahead and find another IP to scan. Let's try another IP here. And it found this port here open. We'll move on to the next command. So let's go ahead and try the aggressive scan that detects the operating system, the version, scripts, and more information. So it's going to be Nmap. So it's going to be Nmap. We'll say -A, and then we'll put the IP. Now this one might take a little longer. Let's see if it detected the operating system here. Okay, so this is a virtual machine. That's why it says VM here. But they gave us the MAC address. It also gives us the number of hops, so it's on the same subnet, and it gives you the IP here as well. Okay, let's move on to the next command, which is netdiscover, which allows us to detect or discover devices on the local network, and it uses app packets. So the command is netdiscover. So let's do sudo netdiscover. So it's gonna tell you the IP address of the device it's discovered, the MAC address, and then it tells you the vendor here and also the host name if it's got one. So far it's discovered a Dell device, TP-Link device. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this command because it might take a while. As you can see, the subnet it's going to scan is quite big. So let me end it since it might take a while here. So far it discovered 4 devices: the virtual machine, Dell device, TP-Link router, and then there's another device here. Moving on, so we also have an option to specify the range. Instead of just typing in netdiscover, we can add the range here. We can say -R and then say what range we want to scan. And that's going to limit the scope of the scan, which should make it run a little faster. So far, again, it just discovered the 4 devices. Let me go ahead and end this one also. So the last command is appscan. This one, you can also use it to discover devices on your local network, and it's using app packets as well, same thing as netdiscover. So the syntax for the command is sudo and then app scan, and then here you put the interface I believe it's it 0 and then local net. So you need to put your interface here, and then once it runs, this is what it's gonna output, the IP address, the MAC address. So similar information here. So what it's using is app packets. That's what it's sending on the local network in order to see what devices are on the network, depending on what devices are responding to the app packet. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.